My name is Sean, and I'm a photojournalist based in South Carolina. I work with Getty Images, the New York Times, the Associated Press, and many others. My area of expertise is hurricanes. Each autumn, as I watch spaghetti models online, I come to the Blue Ridge Mountains in western North Carolina to test out my current storm kit and to challenge myself. I also come to experience one of the most breathtaking drives in North America, using the Blue Ridge Parkway as the artery. Last year, Hurricane Helene took me from the Florida Gulf Coast near landfall all the way into southern Appalachia. I hiked miles, at times to the bed of the broad river to reach the isolated towns of Bat Cave and Chimney Rock. Fortunately, I'm back in the area under better conditions. I made the photos you see in this video between September 26th and October 9th, 2025, along a 75-mile stretch of the southernmost section of the parkway. If you'd like to experience the Blue Ridge Mountains next year, I've got a special link at the end of the video. To see these drives in mostly uncut video form, check out the videos I've linked in the description.